Because I don't go in no man live and mess with them or see no guy and talk about them. I don't do none of that. How you doing? That's so crazy. And I've been drinking like I really want to lay into it, but I'm going to let it go.
I made me a little mix, and I'm almost at the bottom over here. I ain't got nothing.
Oh, no, you at the bottom. I can see the top. It's at the bottom. What you mixing it?
So it's coconut and pineapple rum.
Oh.
A mango pineapple juice. A pina colada like soda seltzer thing, and then some grenadine.
Oh, that do sound good. Like the Malibu Caribbean rum?
Yep.
Like the Caribbean rum?
So I got the Malibu Caribbean rum. I have Saratoga. You know that rum cake? They have rum. So it's a Saratoga rum that I added in a pineapple rum.
Okay. I love rum too. And this is like a peach tequila. And I mix it with like the little the V8, like the blended juices. So I love a blended juice and I just do it. That's why I have to eat some of them noodles because I was a little lit.
Yeah, that's what I'm about to go eat a couple pieces of chicken and then I'm gonna go watch.
That's like I'm waiting for my sister to come.
Yeah, Shy started coming back on too, so I'm about to watch that.
I did. I've been watching. What is this? Stranger Things.
We've been watching Poppin'. We've been watching Stranger Things and All American. Thank you, Poppin'.
I've never seen All American.
Girl, you need to start watching that.
I've never seen All American. On Netflix?
Yes, on Netflix. You are going to be like hooked.
Okay, I'm gonna start.
Yeah.
I've never seen it. The Shy one. I stopped after the okay, I'm gonna watch All American, but the Shy I stopped after season 1.
Look, me and my daughter binge watched it.
Hi, Mary.
We started last weekend on a Friday. Mm-hmm. We got through the first season in one night. Then the next day we went through and we binge watched it again. Thank you. Okay. He said I missed my backup page. Thank you. Thank you for the favorite too. Is it good? It start off good, Mr. 6'7"?
I stopped after the first season. I haven't went back for the second.
Huh?
I guess I'm about to turn it on. Put my flat irons down and go play. Here, let me see if your tablet charge. It's only on 13 because you won't let it charge. Here, go.
Wait, I missed backup page. Hold on, you look familiar. What's your other page's name?
Love you.
It's real good. So it started off good. Okay. I have it recorded on my DVR, so I'll probably watch the first episode tonight. That'll be my last thing before I go to bed, because it's like 12:35 now.
I got off of Stranger Things. I started yesterday.
Oh, I missed back page.
Right. That's what I was telling Blaze, and I didn't say nothing. It did it? But no, he said no, his name is.
I'm glad I didn't see them balls pop up.
You hate him. I kind of hate, because the guys hate him, so I'm like,
me. He just wished I was licking his balls. That's all.
And I love licking balls sometimes, as long as they're not sweaty.
Right. Just wash them.
Fresh out the shower, ashy. Fresh out the shower, ashy. Don't put no lotion on them. Leave that shit ashy.
We'll lubricate them for you.
Oh shit! Well, if you old enough to cross the street, you old enough to get hit. So ain't no perverts over here. Some people don't know about it. We was just doing that with Cupid this whole time, because all the girls was over there talking about they don't mind going past the gooch. Hey Shay, Cupid said hell no.
I'm not going past the gooch, because y'all don't be wiping y'all ass right.
Don't be wiping that ass right. Hi, Shay, baby. They do not wipe it right. Oh, man. It take a little extra dip. That shower don't get everything out. Because guys act like they scared to open up the cheek and let the water run in. And
man.
that water ran in there.
I had one patient that when I was in the emergency room, this man had nerve to try to holler at me. And I did. I had to spread his cheek. Look at Jay Wet. I had to spread his cheek to look at abscess. Girl, I thought it was drained.
You popped it? You drained it?
No. That's what I thought it had popped. I thought it was but look, it was shit. When I spread and I thought it was something draining from his abscess, like the drainage from that, it wasn't. It was shit. This man does not wipe his ass good. I always got a medical story.
and look, see, I'm a medical biller, so I'm in the back. I don't get to see none of that. Like, I do my medical billing. No. Hell no. If I would have saw that, and like I told you about the guy that was talking about, oh, let's do 69, and then I'm landing, this nigga turned around and sat on my chest to the front, and it was sweaty, and I felt the blazed him. I felt it when he farted. He farted a silent fart, and I felt the wind on my chest. I said, get your nasty ass, get your ass up. Get up.
In that TV. Oh my God. He sat on you and Putin.
I said, you gonna toot your little ass next to me? No.
Mrs. 677 went to throw up, disappeared. Thank you, wait. Look, disappeared probably got those stories. No. Lord, that is so...
Look. I'm the dude, look, Blasian, I'm the dude this me. So if this is me, instead of being this way, he turned like this way. And this is my motherfucking chest. And this motherfucker really, I heard it like, get your ass up out of here, your nasty ass. They nasty today. And y'all know they ain't stop playing. Y'all already know these new age dudes, they trying to make all this shit normal. They making all this shit normal. So everybody is on to the new stuff. Period. I know my goddamn TV didn't just turn on by itself.
Who did that? What?
And I said, what is this? Mind you, I was so drunk. And then he told me, let's try something new. All this, not you sliding back and forth on my chest. No, it's hot in here. You sweating? No. And this is why I be tempted. This is why I don't be looking at you light bright dudes, because y'all be on some weird stuff. Sliding your ass all up and down my chest. And you gonna let it silent fart out? Like I wasn't gonna feel that fart on my chest. I felt that fart.
PTSD moment, y'all. She getting mad all over again.
Because I felt it. I felt the wind. I felt the... Hell no. Never again. Never again will I let somebody sit on my chest like that.
Really?
No. Never.
Go sit down.
And thank you, Taylor. Never. Y'all not shit.
Oh my God, that's horrible. That's horrible. Thank you.
Because, and then we was already drunk. We was. And we was already lit. So I'm like, hold up. Right, Angel, you already know. I'll be telling Angel, you know, I tell my real life stories. So I don't even be tripping. I tell my real life stories, and this is really what happened to me.
I would be mad though.
Ever since then, I looked at light-skinned and bright light green-eyed dudes different. I'm cool. Y'all like sliding on people's chests important. No. ain't dude's name Joseph no more just because he did that.
Lord have mercy.
Me. What it is. Hey, yeah, the fuck. Ralphie, you should have took one with me. Ralph from Boeing. Ralph been wilding out the past 2 days. Today and yesterday, he wilding out. Hella shot with you. You did not. You did not. I didn't see you take a shot. Sure did. My glass was always full.